This is different. 2019 Mazda CX-5 diesel. We're doing a transfer case service on it. Alright, first thing, take the splash shield off. A couple 10mm bolts, couple clips, and here's your oil pan with a nice padding to keep the oil warm. Transmission, drain plug for the trans, and your transfer case is here. So that's a 24 drain plug, and then on the side here that's a fill plug, 24 as well. Always make sure you loosen the fill plug first, because if you drain it and you can't fill it, it's not good. So now that it's draining, here's your drain plug and your fill plug. This one has a magnet on it. At least that's how you know it's a drain plug. This was a little dirty, but nothing crazy. So pretty much wait for the oil to drain, put the drain plug back in, fill it up with gear oil. Owner's manual will tell you exactly what gear oil to put in, and you kind of fill it from the side until it overflows. Tighten everything up, clean up, and you're set to go.